everyone, it is Thais here. So today I will be doing a product review on the Silk Elements Strengthened Silk Edge Gel with coconut oil and silk. This is how the product looks. This is the box it comes in. This is how the product comes. So let's go over what the product claims to do. So in the back, it says it provides a long-lasting stronghold to sleek styles. This lightweight formula is a fusion between a gel, pomade, and wax, resulting in a non-greasy, non-flaking, and non-sticky finish. Great for relaxed or natural hair. So the key ingredients in this edge gel is the coconut oil and the silk. It is also free of alcohol, parabens, mineral oils, petroleum, silicone, and artificial colors. So it is free of all of those things, which is great. So I am going to be showing you how the product looks first. Take it out of this little box here. This is how the packaging looks. It comes in this little jar. It's really cute. I love the packaging. I love that it's clear. And it is a clear consistency, as you can see. Clear and waxy. So I purchased this edge gel at Sally's. This is a Sally's own brand. This brand is only sold at Sally's, and the cost of this edge gel was $4.99. So in this review, I will be covering both the pros and cons, like I always do with every product I review. So I'm laughing because I'm like, why didn't I listen to the reviews? Like, why? Being a sucker for a brand. If you guys don't know, I love Silk Elements. It's like one of my favorite hair product lines. So yeah, let's go over what's positive about this edge gel. So the positive thing about this edge gel is that it smells really good. It smells fruity. It's on the fruity side. The smell is amazing. Another positive thing about this edge gel is that the consistency isn't tacky. It isn't hard. The product isn't hard to get on your finger. Like as soon as you swipe it, it's on your finger. Like you don't have to dig in there hard to try to get it out. I've tried another edge control and it was like that. So that is what I love about it. Another positive thing about this edge control is that it is very, very moisturizing. This edge control, I don't even know if this is an edge control. Like the way it moisturizes my edges is incredible. Like it gives me that feeling of a butter. It's like a moisturizing butter moisturizer. So another good thing about this edge control is that it doesn't flake at all. Like I can wear it all day. I can put product on top of it. It doesn't flake at all. It also doesn't leave a sticky residue on my hair. And my hair doesn't feel coated at all. My hair just feels moisturizing, as if I put a rich moisturizer on my hair. So that is what I love about this product. So let's go over the cons of this product. So this edge gel does not hold at all. It holds for like 5 minutes and that's it. I feel like this edge gel will be much better on naturally straight hair, relaxed hair, naturally wavy hair, or hair that is like in the type 3 sections. But for type 4 hair, me having type 4 hair and being 5 months post, almost 6 months post relaxer, this does not hold my edges at all. Like, no, like after 5 minutes, my edges is curly again. And then when I go out in the sun, another thing I don't like about it, when I go out in the sun, this product actually turns into grease. My hair looks like I just slap on a thick layer of grease on my edges, and then it runs, and then when I start sweating, it actually runs down my face. Because I remember I went to a what was it, a fitness event, and my eyes started burning, and I remember, oh my goodness, it's the edge control. So this actually drains down your face and it turns into grease. Like, what is this? I don't know. know, this is strange. But me being me, I still use it because I bought it and I don't feel like going all the way back to Sally's. Like, I'm so tired of returning products. So what I use this for is just to tame the flyaways. That's the only thing this product is good for right now. It just tames the flyaways and that's it. But if you're looking for like sleek edges or laid edges, this will not do the trick for you unless you are relaxed or you have naturally straight or wavy hair or type 3 hair. That's the only way this product will work. So that was my quick review on this Silk Elements Strengthened Silk Edge Gel. And yeah, I got the same results as everyone else said in the reviews, but I just didn't listen for some reason. I thought I would be one of those lucky ones who got lucky and the product worked magically for me. But yeah, I will just use this up. It isn't much product because what I noticed with this edge gel is that you definitely have to use like a lot of product, and the jar is so tiny that this will be gone in like a month time for me. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick review because when I showed it in my haul video, a few of you guys were interested in seeing a review on it. So yeah, that was my quick review. I hope that it was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to give this video a rating as well. Bye bye.